All right, everybody. This is from a pal, Oosh. Come on. She got a little old 2011 Bowman draft box. Let's see what we can get for Oosh. You know, I haven't hit a superfractor in 2011 draft in a while. We hit him in 2011 and 2012 Chrome. We hit it in 2012 draft, and we hit 3 in 2012 Bowman Sterling. But none lately in 2011 Bowman draft. Look at that. First pack gold. And it's an auto. Oh, it's not an auto. I lied to you. Christian Pele's first pack gold. Come on. 23 out of 50. The USA gold refractor. What do we got here? Blake Snell. Finding Nemo refractor. Anuri Rodriguez. Bleh. Bleh, bleh. Everett Tiford refractor. Jack Armstrong. How's that poll going? I haven't looked at it in a minute. I'll have to look at it and see what it's doing. Jose Altuve. Alright, looks like Mr. Minshaw got a couple boxes too. We'll open his up. Mike Moustakas, the Moose. Got a blue paper, Everett Tiford. Whatever. Wow, wow, wow. Delmonico refractor. Nicky Delmonico. How are we looking over there on Vaughn? I'm watching it on my screen. It's laggy as hell. Watching it over on the little laptop. Dan Gamick. But I've got a really bad... I don't have a good driver over there, so that might be why. It might just be on my end. Robert Stevenson. I almost just used my notebook to broadcast. Matt Barnes. I still can, actually. Uh-oh, who you got? Oosh! Corey SpongeBob SquarePants. Little old Corey SpongeBob. Auto for Oosh! Another Delmonico. Danny 2 Cent. Remember the Tyler. Matt Vogel. Keegan Thompson. Jake Jarvis. 3 packs left, Oosh. 3 packs left. Steven Groover. Michael McHenry. How about Anthony Rizzo with the 2 home runs last night? What? Anthony who? Wow. Remember the Tyler. Got a little Remember the Tyler refractor going on. Fancy. The stream's laggy on Ustream. Bastards. Todd Frazier and Nick Martini. Well, Ooch, I hit you a gold refractor, but it doesn't have an auto on it, unfortunately. Got a little old Tyler Alamo. Corey SpongeBob refractor. Or, I'm sorry, base auto. Nick Delmonico refractor. Finding Nemo, and a gold Christian Pele's. Let me put this over here with your cards. There we go. I know, I'm the same way. I'm the same way.